Hello, and thank you for watching. My name is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. I'm here to create videos for you to help you understand QuickBooks slightly better than you currently do. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please put them in the chat box. Thank you.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to use custom fields on your refund receipts. First, I want to make sure you know how to get to your custom fields. You'll go to the gear in the upper right-hand corner. You'll then go to the column called List, and then down to Custom Fields. I currently have one custom field called Customer Purchase Order Number. When I look, I can see that it shows up in the intersection with Refund Receipt. This means that the checkmark means it's going to show up on my screen, and the printer means that if I print out a refund receipt, piece of paper, or PDF, my client will see the custom field plus whatever I put in there. Let me show you what it looks like in practice. I'm going to go to Plus New in the upper left-hand corner of my screen. I'm going to go down to Refund Receipt. I'm going to find my customer, and I'll say Demo Customer. And then here's where that field is for Customer PO. My custom field is called Customer PO, and I can type in anything I want in that box beneath it. Since we're here and since the video is pretty short, I want to take a moment to remind you that a refund receipt is different from a credit memo. I have multiple videos that explain what each of them are for. If you're looking at this video or any of those other videos and you're not sure, let me know what part of it you're uncertain about so that I can make a new video that specifically addresses your question. If you're not certain about something, that means somebody else isn't certain either. If I can make one video, I could probably help a handful of people. Okay, so let me just show you what this looks like. Let's go hours, 1 hour, $10. Payment method is going to be out of the checking account. I just need to fill some stuff in so we can see it. It says it's been refunded, that's fine. Print or preview. So if I were to make a refund receipt and then send the record to the client, like, oh, hey, here's your paper record of what we've done, it's going to reference their name up here and then their PO number. And that's the only thing that's different. When we added the custom field, we added this field right here. All right. That is it, my friends. If you have any questions, like I said before, don't hesitate to leave them down below. And that's it. I'll see you around YouTube. Okay, thanks. Bye.